Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The smoke test lifecycle illustrates where smoke testing occurs during product development and QA testing. Understanding each stage of this cycle will help you to understand more about how smoke testing fits into the testing journey and the differences between smoke testing versus sanity testing versus regression testing. 1. Code. 2. Unit testing. 3. Integration testing. 4. Sanity testing. 5. Smoke testing. 6. Functional testing. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.